Hey, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today, we're going to take a look at our Intel Celeron Industrial Rugged Tablet, the RT1100 series. Let's take a look. The RT1100 series is powered by an Intel Celeron quad-core N5100 2.8 GHz processor. It comes in two sizes. One is an 8-inch, which is the RT1108A, and a 10-inch, the RT1110A. It has Intel UHD graphics, which is Gen 11 LP, internal storage of 128 GB SSD. It comes standard with Windows 11. It's designed to withstand the harshest environments, being MIL standard 810H certified for drop and vibration, and IP67 rated for full submersive water resistance. It's built with the Gorilla Glass projective capacitive touchscreen and supported by stylus, glove, and wet touch modes. There's a front fixed focus camera and rear autofocus camera. It has Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band 2.4G and 5G, as well as Bluetooth version 4.2. It also has cellular capability tested with AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. It has GNSS, including GPS, GLONASS, and Beidou. It has a Zebra barcode reader that supports 1D and 2D barcodes and an optional RFID reader. And it has an operating temperature of -10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius or 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now I'm going to unbox the 10-inch model. So this is the RT1110A. And when you receive your rugged tablet, this is the box that it will come in. So let's remove the cover. And inside, you will first see the Maple Systems warranty, and the rugged tablets come with a 1-year warranty, but an extended warranty can be purchased. And inside, there will be the rugged tablet. So here's the RT1110A, and it's wrapped in anti-static plastic. So let's remove it from the plastic. And here's the tablet. Underneath that, in another Ziploc bag, is the hand strap with screws. And then in another white box, there will be the USB-C adapter along with the power cord. And that's also wrapped in plastic. Here is the tablet using the hand strap. You also have the option of purchasing additional accessories. Here is a vehicle docking station for the 10-inch. It also is a vehicle mounting arm and a cigarette lighter powered in-vehicle charger. You can also swap out the cigarette lighter charger for a vehicle charger with bare wires. There is an office docking station / charging station that fits both the 10-inch and 8-inch, and it comes with an adapter and USB-C cable, which is 3 feet. And there's also an 8-inch vehicle mount and arm that comes with either a cigarette lighter charger or a bare wire vehicle charger as well. Okay, let's take a look at the I/O. First, we'll take a look at the top. Starting over on the left side is the power button. Next to that are the volume keys. And then on each side, you'll notice that there are 2 barcode scan keys. On the side, starting over on the right, you have a USB-C charging port, then a mini HDMI port, a headphone jack, and a USB-A 3.0 port. On the other side is an RJ45 port. On the bottom, starting in the middle, there is a 12-pin docking connector, and then on either side, there are 2 loudspeakers. On the back of the tablet, there are 4 screws for the hand strap, an optional RFID card reader, a rear image camera, a barcode reader, a removable lithium-ion battery, and a SIM card / SD card shared slot, which is behind the battery. Also underneath the battery will be the model name, and next to that will be the build number. And you will need the build number to reorder your rugged tablet. Also, above the model name will be a non-embedded Windows license, meaning that when you receive your unit, you will need to scratch off the code right here and activate Windows yourself. Or you can have an embedded Windows license, meaning it's activated for you right here at Maple Systems. So when you receive the unit, it's essentially plug and play. On the front of the tablet, there's the front image camera and the front speaker. Now I'm going to power on the unit. So on the top, hold down the power button, release, and the welcome screen. And now it's on. Now I want to show you how well the Capacitive Touch works with a pair of gloves. Let's go to Microsoft Edge, to the Maple Systems website. Let's scroll to the website. Let's just click on one of the products here. Scroll through. And that is the Intel Celeron Industrial Rugged Tablets, the RT1100 series. Well, that wraps up everything today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial rugged tablets, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.